Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to load a film in a film camera with a film stock. Now for today I'm going to use my handy dandy year-old trusty Nikon AF240 SV. This is a automatic rolling auto exposuring pocket 35mm film roll camera. So it's fully automatic. You only get one shutter here, you got one counter here, your film window, your serial number, roller, and a battery door. So first and foremost, before you loading your film stock, which is right here, I'll be showing you in a moment. Typically, pocket cameras or non-SLR cameras, they require batteries to operate, and they don't have any means to load it with manual measures. In SLRs, you typically have your loading like a lever here, but in automatic you don't have it. So I just want to tell you that. So before you get started, make sure you have your batteries loaded. So mine's here. I open up the battery door. There we go. And then insert the correct orientation of batteries. Plus and minus over here. I'm just filling with alkaline batteries. Pop it in. And depending on your cameras, you might need to switch it on like this, and we know it's on because we now have a green light. So for now we want to turn it back off right here, and then we gotta load the film roll. Now this camera, so first and foremost, you need to open the film roll door by in here. Whoops, there it opens. Now yours, depending on your camera manufacturer, might look slightly different with yours. And for today, as you can see right there, we have two pins. That is a DX code pin for film roll cameras. Mine's only have two pins, meaning it only supports 100 and 400 ISO DX coded film rolls. And what does this mean is it will only automatically detect 100 ISO and 400, and anything other than that will be switched back to 100 ISO. So I managed to get a film roll. Film rolls usually come in canisters like these. Now you want to pop it off. Get your film roll out. Right here. Today we have a Kodak Professional Pro Image 100 color negative film. 100 ISO, 36 exposures, and it is DX coded. So these are the DX code. These are electrically conductive, and this is basically how your camera detects what ISO, what exposure you have on your film. So to load it, with your opened here, you want to see the guide there. So in this case, you want it to only roll up, and you want to slide it there. So in that slit. So to put it in, make sure you got it upright like this, so the markings upward. Now see that little notch right there? Maybe it's quite hard to see because of the lighting. And there's a hole under the film canister. You want to slide it in so it's snug in there. Good. And then you're going to pull it. Start to pull this and you want to pull it ever so slightly so you can slip it right in there. And pay attention to these like cutouts on the film, so make sure the teeth of the roller is inside the hole, and you just want to close it, and see, it automatically reloads it. And now my counter shows up here, 1. Maybe you can't really see it, but it is now loaded. In your window you can see that it is loaded with, I know it's kind of hard to see, with the ProImage 100 film camera. So there you go, your film camera is now loaded and ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.